Master English with confidence.
Welcome to English Pattern Mastery. Learn smart English patterns every day. Speak English confidently with us.
I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I check the time. I check the time. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces. I open my bag. I open my bag. I take out my books. I take out my books. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I stand up quickly. I stand up quickly. I lock the door. I lock the door. I unlock the door. I unlock the door. I greet my friend. I greet my friend. I smile softly. I smile softly. I drink tea. I drink tea. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I clean my room. I clean my room. I arrange my books. I arrange my books. I turn on the fan. I turn on the fan. I turn off the fan. I turn off the fan. I sit quietly. I sit quietly. I listen to music. I listen to music. I watch the sky. I watch the sky. I feel fresh. I feel fresh. I feel tired. I feel tired. I take a short rest. I take a short rest. I lie on the bed. I lie on the bed. I wake up early. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I open the window. I open the window. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I turn off the light. I turn off the dot light. I yawn a lot. I yawn a lot. I hang my clothes. I hang my clothes. I move a chair. I move a chair. I dust the table. I dust the table. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I unlock the door. I unlock the door. I walk to the door. I walk to the door. I cover myself with a blanket. I cover myself with a blanket. I stand near the door. I stand near the door. I walk inside the room. I walk inside the room. I sit on the bed. I sit on the bed. I relax quietly. I relax quietly. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath.